In recent weeks, the UK has been taking proactive measures to invest in domestic semiconductor manufacturing. Prime Minister Rishi Sunak is reportedly planning to make an announcement at the upcoming G7 summit in Japan, offering a huge funding package to the tune of £1 billion, $1.25 billion, to establish and build up chipmaking here in the UK. This move follows a global trend spurred by the events of 2020, including the huge upsurge in remote work and the ongoing US semiconductor trade dispute with China. The US has already passed their Chips and Science Act, pledging more than $52 billion to fund incentives of domestic fabs, including an injection of $39 billion in activity to keep semiconductor fabs within the country. Now the UK is pressing ahead with its own set of measures to invest in its homegrown semiconductor industry. In his spring statement, Chancellor of the Exchequer Jeremy Hunt announced several measures to support the technology sector, including major investments in research and development for AI and quantum computing, through new childcare subsidies for tech workers, and a comprehensive retraining program to help older workers break into the industry. The UK policy mirrors the US policy in many ways, reflecting the increased need for more domestic semiconductor production across the globe. Prominent industry leaders in both the US and UK have been sounding the alarm concerning the tremendous demand and strain on global supply chains, with the US and Europe being heavily reliant on East Asian foundries. The funding package builds on the UK's goal of creating an autonomous tech hub that's built to last. With cleantech, AI and quantum computing leading the charge, the UK is looking to position itself as a powerhouse nation, driving the way for other countries in the world of technology. Through this £1 billion injection, the UK is sending a strong signal of intent about its ambitions for the future.